All right, now on to Chapter 7 review packet, 7.1.2, our word problems. We're going to look at number 5, the classic problem we've looked at in class. A farmer has 600 meters of fencing and wants to make 2 side-by-side rectangular enclosures as seen in the diagram. What is the maximum area he can enclose? We did a problem like this. We've got the other video on setting up word problems, so we'll go through this rather quickly. We want to define our variables, and we always like to make this entire side x and this entire side y. And in these word problems, we typically need our 2 equations. So the first equation we're going to have is x plus y plus y plus y would be our perimeter equation. So 3x plus 2y, and he has 600 meters of fencing. We want to maximize the area. The area is x times y. So this is the function we want to put in our calculator, but we can't put in an x and a y with an area equation. So we take our first equation, and typically we're going to solve for y and substitute it in the next one. So I'm going to subtract the 3x over, so 2y equals 600 minus the 3x, divide by the 2, and we seem to end up with something that's kind of clean if I just divide by the 2 minus 1.5x. So that's what y equals. I'm going to put that there. So my area equals x times 300 minus 1.5x. I could multiply, or I could put it into my calculator with parentheses. Area equals 300x minus 1.5x squared. So we know with a negative x squared, it's going to be an upside down parabola, and I'm going to be looking here. So I've got to find a good window to see the entire graph. So I'll go to my table, maybe change it by tens, look for a good window so I can see the entire maximum. When I get in my calculator and I second calculate maximum, and I grab a point over here and I grab a point over here and I make my guess, my calculator should tell me that when x is 100, y is 15,000, which in this case is the entire answer I need. What is the maximum area he can enclose? When I have an x value of 100, he can enclose an area of 15,000, and in this case it would be meters squared. Had it asked for the dimensions, I could have put the 100 for x back in here, solve for y. Had it asked for the dimensions of each pen, I could have divided x by 2 and found this length with my y. But in this case, I just need the area equals 15,000 meters squared.